Students, now we will discuss static and dynamic system and stable and unstable system. What is static and what is dynamic? What is static? A system is said to be static if the output of the system depends only on the present input. So that is, it is no memory in that system. Without memory, the system is said to be static. What is the meaning for that? A system without memory, it depends only on the present value. Present value means present input. But the only present input, it gives the output. That type of system is called static. So we can say example as resistance. So that is, any resist network is said to be static system. So y of t is equal to x of t, y of n is equal to n x squared of n. So only depends upon the present value. So for dynamic, a system which is having memory, it depends upon not only the present, it also future and past value. What is dynamic? A system which is having memory. Apart from that, it depends upon not only the present, future and past also. Any feedback system is said to be dynamic system. In general, any circuit which is having inductor or capacitor. So in general equation, the equation which is having integrator or differential, different integrator equation or differentiation equation means, then the system is said to be dynamic. Now I have to go for the problem. Y of t is equal to x of t minus 4. Now I have to put the value when t equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to x of minus 4. I have to put t equal to 0. So see that for the present value of t equal to 0, the output depends upon the past input, that is x of minus 4. So the system is said to be dynamic. Now I have to go for that. Y of n is equal to x squared of n. The system is said to be static because it depends upon only the present value. Now I will go for another one. Y of t is equal to d squared x of t by dt squared. And another problem, y of t is equal to integral x of t dt. If the equation having differential or integral, then the system is always said to be dynamic. Next one, y of n is equal to x of n plus x of n minus 3. See that the equation which is having minus 3. So the system is always said to be dynamic. Now I have to go for stable and unstable system. A system is said to be BIBO, that is bounded input and bounded output, stable only if and only bounded input produces the bounded output. Or we can say, if the system satisfies the BIBO stability, then the system is said to be stable. What is the meaning for bounded? All the inputs are bounded. For bounded input, we can get the output also bounded output. Then the system is said to be stable, otherwise unstable. What is the meaning for bounded? It may be a finite. So in equation we can say, for continuous integral minus infinity mod h of t dt, then for discrete summation mod h of n less than infinity. See that problem. Y of t is equal to t x of t. By seeing, I have to put t value I have to put t in different values. Suppose if the t is infinite, automatically output is also infinite. So there is no bounded input. So input is unbounded means output also unbounded. So the system is unstable. Now I have to go for y of t is equal to 5x of t plus 3. 3 is the constant value. So if t is bounded input is bounded means automatically the output is also bounded. So the system is said to be stable. Now I have to go for the problem. H of t is equal to e power minus 4 mod t. So already know that mod h of t value is less than infinity means then the system is said to be stable. Now I have to substitute that value. Integral minus infinity mod h of t dt. Now I have to substitute that value. Integral minus infinity e power minus 4 mod t. Mod t in the sense it has the value of negative as well as the positive. Whenever, so it's going to be negative for the value of minus infinity 0. For positive, it has the value of 0 to infinity. Just I have to put the value minus infinity 0. So e power 4t plus integral 0 to infinity e power minus 4t. That is, for negative value of minus t, it has the value of negative. For positive value of t, it is going to be positive value. I have to integrate, then I have to substitute the value 1 by 4 minus 0, 0 plus 1 by 4. Now I am adding these two, you may get 1 by 2. So it is the finite value or less than infinity. So the system is said to be stable. So what we discuss in this chapter, we discuss stable and unstable system. Thank you.